be real with you for a moment? If you've been trying to start an online business, watching videos, downloading freebies, and following all the gurus, and still feel like you're spinning your wheels, this might be the reason why. And it's not that you're doing something wrong. It's that you've been calling something what I like to call the freebie fragment trap. It's like trying to build a house from random YouTube clips. One gives you the roof, another one tells you about the windows, but nobody gives you the plan. It feels productive. You're learning, you're taking notes, you're collecting tips, but you're really building without a blueprint. Let's be honest. Many of us start our online journey by searching YouTube, signing up for free trainings, downloading every how to start your business guide that we can find. And at first, it feels amazing. You're motivated, you're hopeful, you're excited, you're really eager to figure this thing out. But in a few weeks, it starts to get messy. One person will tell you, you need to start with affiliate marketing. Another one says, build a personal brand. Another one says, forget all that. Just post content every day. Before long, your notes are full. Your downloads folder is overflowing and your brain is exhausted. That's fragmented learning. And it's one of the biggest reasons people never get traction online. You see, the first problem with fragmented learning is you're learning in pieces, not in any order. Every freebie, every video gives you a slice of the process, but no one is showing you how all those slices fit together. You've got one PDF on branding, another on funnels, another on mindset, but no map that connects them. So you're busy, but you're not building. You just keep feeling like you're almost there, but you never quite know what to do next. And that constant stop start energy leads straight into burnout. Truth is, you're not failing, you're just learning out of sequence. The second challenge with freebies is that it keeps you consuming, not creating. Here's the other side of the trap. Freebies feel productive, but they keep you in research mode constantly. They're designed to get your attention, not guide your transformation. Each one gives you a teaser, but not the system. You get just enough to feel inspired, but not enough to create results. So you collect 10 different freebies, all teaching 10 different things. And now you're more overwhelmed than ever. Truth, you don't need more information. You need integration. The third challenge with freebies is that it fragments your confidence. After months of trying everything, it's easy to start believing the problem is you. You may start thinking, maybe you're too old for this online business, or maybe you're not tech savvy enough, or worse, starting your online journey works for everyone else but you. But it's not you, it's the fragmented style of learning you have adopted. Imagine trying to bake a cake, but every recipe you find leaves out a different ingredient. One it's the eggs, the other it's the right temperature, another it's the flour. You'll be left wondering why your cake never rises or tastes good. That's what happens when you build your business from random freebies. The fourth challenge is the hidden cost of depending on freebies. It is lost time and momentum. Every time you start over with a new method, you lose something precious, momentum. And momentum is everything in building your business. You could be weeks away from your breakthrough, but because the last freebie promised something faster, you drop what you're doing and start over from scratch. That start stop pattern steals your progress, steals your confidence and your peace of mind. And that's exactly why so many people stay stuck. You've paid enough already with your time, your energy, and your confidence. It's time to invest in a path that actually gives you a way out of fragmented learning. A complete step by step system that takes you from I have no idea where to start to I know exactly what to do next is exactly what you need. And when you learn through the DPU system, everything will start to click. You'll stop second guessing. You'll stop bouncing from ideas to ideas. And you'll finally see how all the pieces fit together. Your product, your marketing, your automation, and your growth. You will be clear on how they work. And that's when your energy comes back. And that's when your confidence grows. And that's when you finally move from learning to earning. So if you've been drowning in freebies, feeling stuck in the try everything loop, this is your reminder. You don't need another PDF. You don't need another 3-step free challenge. You just need a clear connected path. Now, if this message speaks to you, click the link below to watch the full training. It walks you through everything you need to start and grow online, even if you're brand new. And this was the same training that helped me stop my fragmented, scattered style of learning and finally get focus. I truly believe it's one of the most complete systems out there. It includes a supportive community, live mentorship, and even master resale rights so you can earn while you learn. That's exactly why it works, because it gives you every tool, strategy, step by step to confidently turn your knowledge into profit. So if you're ready for no more piecing it together alone, no more fragmented learning, just one path designed for beginners, and it works especially for women over 50 who are ready to finally build something real and sustainable online, then this is for you because your time matters, your energy matters, and your wisdom deserve more than freebie level success. You've invested enough in your confusion. Now it's time to invest in clarity. So click the link below. Take your first real step towards building the business you were meant to create. I am cheering you on. This is Lorna, and I'm here to help you build the freedom you've always dreamed of, one simple step at a time.